Tea time is a time to munch, and the craving for something delicious, healthy, and tempting snack comes in mind. And if it is freshly baked, so nothing like it. Let's bake some healthy cake full of vitamin C. Yes, it is lemon cake. First of all, put 50 ml of take 50 ml of oil, any unflavored oil, 100 grams of powdered sugar. Beat it well. Now it is well combined. Add juice of 1 big lemon. Mix it well. Here no need of adding any essence or lemon essence, because I'm already using this juice instead of any essence, and this is an eggless cake, so not required. Now add all the dry ingredients into it. This is 200 grams of all-purpose flour. This is zest of 1 big lemon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now give it a good mix. This is a bit dry. You can add half cup of milk. Give it a good mix. Grease 7 inches mold and dust it with flour. Now transfer this to mold. Tap it twice. Now bake at 170 degree for 45 minutes in a preheated oven. Cake is cooled down completely to room temperature. Now sprinkle some powdered sugar on it and enjoy with tea or coffee. I have many delicious recipes lined up in my list. To know all of them, don't forget to follow my channel.